Welcome back to Car Beast. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular, practical, and feature-packed hatchbacks in India, the Hyundai Grand i10. Known for its stylish design, fuel efficiency, and modern features, the Grand i10 has been a top choice for city drivers and small families. But with competition from the Maruti Swift, Tata Tiago, and Renault Kwid, does the i10 still hold its ground in 2024? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. And if you love detailed car reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The Hyundai Grand i10 boasts a modern and sporty design with a cascading front grille, sharp projector headlamps, LED DRLs, and stylish dual-tone alloy wheels. The sculpted lines, floating roof effect, and integrated roof spoiler give it a premium look, making it one of the most stylish hatchbacks in its segment. Under the hood, the Grand i10 offers two engine options. A 1.2L Kappa petrol engine, producing 83 horsepower and 114 Nm of torque, delivering smooth performance and great city drivability. A 1.2L bi-fuel petrol plus C option, offering 69 horsepower and improved fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice. You can choose between a 5-speed manual transmission or a smooth AMT automatic, providing flexibility based on driving preferences. The petrol variant delivers around 20 km/h, while the CNG version offers 26 to 28 km per kilogram, making it one of the most fuel-efficient hatchbacks. Inside, the Grand i10 offers a premium and feature-loaded cabin. The dual-tone dashboard, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and quality materials give it a classy feel. It comes equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control, wireless charging, rear AC vents, and steering-mounted controls, making it one of the most tech-loaded hatchbacks in its price range. On the safety front, the Hyundai Grand i10 comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a reverse camera, and high-strength body construction. Higher variants also offer 4 airbags, making it a safer choice than many competitors. The Grand i10 is designed for city driving, with a light steering, smooth suspension, and compact dimensions, making it easy to maneuver in traffic and park in tight spaces. The engine provides a refined and silent drive, with enough power for both city commutes and occasional highway trips. So, is the Hyundai Grand i10 worth buying in 2024? If you want a stylish, feature-packed, fuel-efficient, and easy-to-drive hatchback, the Grand i10 remains a top contender. However, if you need more space or a stronger highway performer, you might consider the Hyundai i20 or Maruti Baleno. What do you think about the Hyundai Grand i10? Would you pick it over the Maruti Swift or Tata Tiago? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Beast for more in-depth car breakdowns. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.